Welcome to another video on Expected Value Lotto, where we look at Georgia Lottery's crash tickets and their expected values. In this video, we are doing our third round of our $280 challenge on Volcano Cash. We are playing the $2 version, and so yeah, I mean, I put $200 in on a day when they did it like a 40% match, and so with the 200 that I put in, they gave me 80, so I had $280 to start off with. We're playing $2 games, so that gives me enough money to play 140 plays. So I have to play through all of that $280. Just by looking at the information that they have on their website, I was able to figure out what I should win back from 140 spins. So I should win 40 times, and then you can see how many of each prize I should get for a total of around $196. I think we're a little bit behind after 2 rounds. We're gonna have to beat the odds on these last 40 spins if we want to actually get the 40 wins and the $196. But we'll see what happens, and then we'll tally everything up at the end of this round. So we will go ahead and get started here. So we got to make sure it's on the $2 game, and here we go. So we've already played 100 spins or 100 games. So this will be game 101. And I will mention that we have not gotten either bonus thing. We haven't seen the little, like, whatever that ball's called with all the different sides. We have not seen that even one time. And we have not seen the silver star either. So it would be nice to see at least one bonus game in 140 spins. And we also need to see two decent wins if we are going to, well, based on what the odds said, we should get 4 wins that are $10 or above. We've gotten 2 $10 wins so far, so we've got a couple still to see if the odds are true. So this is spin 102. So we're getting a win here. So at least $6. Yeah, it's a $6 win. Alright, game 103. This is game 104. Oh, okay, so here we did get a bonus. The Magma Money bonus. So hopefully this will be at least $10. Oh yeah, it has to be. So this will be probably a $10 win. But fingers crossed for more. take $10, so we got a win there. So another $10 win. So now all we need to see is our win above $10. This is game 105. Okay, got another win there. So another $6 win. And this is game 106. This is game 107. This is game 108. This is game 109. This is game 110. And we are getting a win here. Another $6 win. So this is game 111. This is game 112. And we are getting a win. So $6 it looks like. So another $6 win. And this is game 113. This is game 114. This is game 115. 116. Game 117. Game 118. Gotta win for $4. And this is going to be game 119. And game 120. And we got a $2 win there. Alright, this is play 121. This is play 122. Play 123. Play 124. Gonna get a win this time. For $2. And this is play 125. This is play 126. Play 127. Play 128. We are going to get a win here. For another $6 win. This is play 129. And this is play 130. All right, we're down to our last 10 spins. See if we can get something interesting to happen here. This is spin 131. This is 132. This is 133. Got us a win here. That's $8. Alright. Game 134. Game 135. And we have got another win. And this will be a $4 win. Got five more plays. So this is 136. This is game 137. We got our 20th win, so we did it. Alright, game 138. Alright, game 139. And our last spin, 140, our last game. Hey, we got an extra win. That is great. So that was for another $4. All right, that is it. So we played 140 spins. We started with 280, we're ending with 202. So that means we lost $78 from where we started, but I actually got $2. I'm ending up with $2 more than I put in. So this was, we had a few hours worth of playtime and made $2 on it. So that's pretty good. So we played 140 times. Let's see, we won 41 times, which means that the odds were, let's figure this out. So 140 divided by 41, 3.4. So pretty close to what the game says, even though it didn't feel like that all the time. So the odds for these three series, 1 in 3.41. Let's see, how many $2 prizes did we win? We won 14 $2 prizes, which was 2 more than what we thought we would win. So 2 times 14 is 28 total. $4 prizes, we did not win as many as we thought. We only won 6 for $24. But $6 prizes, this was the big surprise to me. I was only supposed to win 7, and I ended up winning 12, so 5 more than what I thought. That's $72 right there. So I didn't get my big win, but because we exchanged so many $4 wins for $6 wins, that actually makes up for it, I think. And then $8 prizes, we knew we would win, or we thought we would win 5 or 6. We ended up winning 6. And so that is for $48. And then our $10 prizes, we thought we would win 3, and we did win 3 for $30. The big disappointment, I guess, is that we didn't win the big prize, which is a little bit disappointing. But again, I guess we can forgive it since we did have so many $6 prizes. So when you add all that up, it should equal 202. Let's see if I did all my math right. 24 plus 72 plus 48 plus 30, and it does equal 202. So we kept all the records right. So these are the stats after 3 rounds playing 140 plays, $280 on this Volcano Cash game. The reason I was playing it is because the top prize, it's getting down to where the top prize will be hit, in the next couple of months probably. I don't think a lot of people are playing this game, so it's not like so I know how many total games there are left, but it's not decreasing very quickly. So anyways, I've got my eye on it. I don't know if they give another special deal, I might play it again, but I probably won't go back and play again unless the total number of games gets really, really low. But that was it. I think this was a pretty good experiment. It worked out in my favor. And so, hopefully it was informative for you if you were watching. So I guess that's it for this series. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.